Hello everyone, welcome to Pandas. So today we'll be learning the plotting. In a previous session, we already start with the visualization concept where we understand what is the meaning of your visualization and what is the reason behind that to do that. Now, I already talked about in a previous session like we have to I already talked about in a previous sessions like how we have to work on the plottings, like we having the graph, so we have to use the plots. So let's today we'll be moving towards to the concept of types of plots. The plot is nothing but we are using for the graphical representation, like graphically if you want to represent the thing in a database. So suppose I'm having a database with the student details. So this is my student details. In that I'm having one, it's X, Y, and Z. This is the three database, and I'm having some values on that. I'm just giving one values. So in this values, how we have to denoted the plots. So for doing the plot with the already their database, as well as you can design a database. To design, as you know, that go ahead with the numpy and pandas. We already discussed with how to create it. If you have a doubt, you can go with the previous things, the previous lessons what we discussed, the sessions. You can understand how to create it. Or else we already work on the .csv file. Same thing, you can read the .csv file and you can work with the plots. So let's move to see that how many types of plots we have. So we are having a variety of plots. I just include some important plots here like your line plot, area plot, bar and bar plot, density or KDE plot, then histogram plot, scatter, box and pie plot. So let's discuss one by one. So we'll move to the first plotting, that is your line plot. Basically, this is line plot. It's denoted with a line. So when we have a database like XYZ, I want to plot it in this. So this is my plot diagram. This is my plot. I have to do the plotting. So when it's a line, it will be denoted in the line way like this. This is the line, this is the line. So this is for my X, this is for my Y, this is for my Z. This three will be representing my three rows or three database, and the database is what? The student detail. So this is how we are using the line plot in the particular visualization. So let's move to understand the area plot. So in this particular area plot, when you use this area plot, in an area plot, we can create a using of series of plots of areas. Like whenever taking a database, see, compulsory you have to take a one database .csv or any file. So I'm taking a student detail of .csv. When you are taking this database, when we are doing a plotting, you can take as a area wise plotting. So this is my plot gram, and when you do the area wise, it will be like this, because I'm just going with the areas. This is my plot area, and there I'm just going with the one plotting, then I'm going with the another one area wise, and then I'm going with the different area wise. Means you can go with the cities, like what is the particular cities areas, then you can go with the country, you can country, and the particular area, like suppose I want the square feet area 30 40. So you can go with this particular things to plot it. This is comes to your area plot to do the area. You can take as this is your method. We can do we can create a series of plotting with the help of area or with the help of data frame. So two thing here you have to use it. One is series. You have to take a series to create a to use the area plot, or you can go with the data frame. Now your wish what you want to do, that series or data frame. And if you have a doubt how to create a series or how to use a series, you can take a revise of the previous sessions. We already done with series and data frame. So use this two particular frame to create this particular plotting with the help of your area. So let's move to the third plotting, that is bar, or we can call BARH plot. So this is also a one similar way to do the plotting how we are doing for the line and area. Here also we are using a .csv file, but in a bar what happens, suppose this is my frame because the plotting will be in a frame. So this is my frame. I'm taking the same .csv file, student.csv. Here, when you create a bar, it will be coming in the bar wise, like how the bar will be created. So you can go with this areas to creating the particular bar. So this is suppose my cities, like different cities are the populations. You can take as example of populations and cities. So in a city, suppose this is your Bangalore, this is your Tamil Nadu, or this is your Davangere. So this lots of cities are there, and the population, suppose this is for your 1.2, 2.3, 3.4. So the population in a bar way it will be denoted, it will giving the visualization. So this is the one important plots in a visualization where we can use the bar. So you can observe this is look like bar, right? How we are eating the like a normal chocolate bar, how it's look, this is look same, right? The chocolates bars. So the same way, that's why they give the name of bar, because it's look like the plotting was look like a bar type. So there is a one more plot, that is dot plot, like same way we can do it with the dots. So that is called your dot plots. So there is a lots of plotting in visualizations. So for this one, I we just go with the line, area, and bar. For the next session, we just moving towards the other five plotting to understand how it will be used and how it's look. Thank you.